Hello and welcome back again. We're here today with Mr. Fulton Abraham Sanchez, tax expert, and he is here to explain to us how is it that millionaire Donald Trump does not pay any taxes. Could you please explain to...
Yeah, well, there's a lot of coverage in the news about this. How is that Donald Trump didn't pay taxes even though he's a millionaire? But we have to go back to the 90s when he has his first crisis. In the 90s, he has the first bankruptcy, and he lost $900 million. So how is that he lost? Originally, he purchased a property, to give an example, for 100, and then he was forced to sell it for 50. So you have a property that you purchase in 1 year, in 8 years, 100, and then you sell it for 50 in the next year or after 5 or 20 years, then you have a loss of 50. Being that you have discarded the property, you don't have the property anymore, you can use that loss of 50 into future income for coming years. So let's say that I have $50 million loss in this year. In the next year, I have $10 million income. But because I have a loss of 50, I will pay no taxes because I have obviously more than a loss compared to the income that I have. But in the case of Donald Trump, it's not 50, it's $900 million. So originally, he has properties for X amount of money. He sold it, and he sold them, and the loss was $900 million. So in any year that he has $10 million, $20 million income, he pays no taxes because originally he still has half a property loss of $900 million. That's how he made it. But remember, this only works in real estate. Or when you have a company that you can prove that the company is, you have contributed to the company in capital 50, an example, $100 million, and then you sell it for less than 100, then you will have a loss.
And for other businesses, how they could be doing something like this, like a legal way to pay less taxes or not to pay taxes?
Well, for the case of businesses, they also have a couple of options. One of them is an SEP IRA, a SEP IRA. This is a plan where you can deduct up to 25% of your income. So if you get paid $100,000 in 1 year from your company, you can get a contribution to a retirement plan from the company, 25%, and the company will be able to take that as a deduction, as a expense. So this is one of the ways how you can reduce the taxes and pay less taxes in the company and later on receive a benefit for retirement.
Okay, thank you so much for all your wisdom shared here with us, and please make sure to follow us and keep on looking at our videos, and go visit us at www.fascpaconsultants.com for more tips.